Our new luggage set that we ordered off of Amazon came in today, and this is how it came. It looks like they pack everything in the box, probably into one suitcase. Let's take this thing out of the box and check it out. And here it is. This is how it comes out of the box. I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off and probably all of these little labels. And then we're going to open it up and check out all the different pieces. All right, so here is the luggage out of the plastic, out of the box, all laid out here to give you a good idea of what you're getting. So that's the large one, of course, on the left, and the sizes as they go down. These are the two carry-on sizes. Bigger one is 20-inch, smaller one's 18. The wheels do come off on the 18 here. You just push the little button and these will come off. The reason that is so that way they'll all fit back inside of each other to basically go all into that one big bag, right? Save space in your closet or wherever you store them. Now the small one, we were wondering the size on this. This would make a great makeup bag for your wife or a female, or if you have something that you want to carry on with you that is just sensitive and you don't want it to get busted, this might make a good carry on for that. But it's not huge, but it is nice. I mean, honestly, we were thinking, nah, we don't need that, but I think we'll end up using this for something pretty important. My wife already has claimed it as her makeup bag, but we'll see. This one does not, of course, have wheels and doesn't have a handle that comes up, but it does have this handle here. And it does have this strap right here on the back, so it allows you to put it on any of these other bags on the handle that comes up. So that's nice. And it is, again, on the inside here, you see what it looks like. All the other bags pretty much look like this on the inside. Here is the 18. So as you can see the mesh there, so you have a zipper pocket basically, and then you have the straps here, and you have a long handle. And the shells are pretty nice on this too. I mean, they're not real thick, so they're not heavy, but I mean, they seem like they could take some pretty good beatings, but they're pretty nice. And then these are the two little cloth bags they come with. So this is, like a grooming bag. That's probably what I'll use to, carry just basic grooming stuff. And then you've got this kind of like, I don't want to call this a duffel bag because it's more like it's kind of got like a handbag or a beach bag kind of style to it, but it's that kind of bag. Now we did choose this color specifically because we wanted something that looked a little different. When we're at the airport and everything, we don't really see luggage that looks like this with the black and the brown trim. Larger cases do have this, and that's this little, preventive lock. It's not a super secure lock. None of these locks are going to be like super secure, but basically this keeps an honest person honest and not going into your luggage unless they're TSA. But you just basically push these in there, they lock, then you put in your code to unlock it. You can set the codes on those, so it's good to have just a little bit of extra peace of mind. But yeah, very nice. We were really happy with this set, and I hope this information was very helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.